For 800 years, Canada's settlers and immigrants alike have perfected a concoction of laws that created a brew of citizens with unique identity and values. These laws allow Canadians to enjoy a selection of freedom and rights while keeping the scales on check by working out their responsibilities. At the same time as the first eyeglasses were invented in the early 13th century, Canada has already established the Great Charter of Freedoms, which allowed its people to choose freely their conscience and religion, to express their thought and opinion, and to have peaceful assembly and association. Later in 1982, the Constitution of Canada wrapped these freedoms up and set out additional rights. For instance, Canadians have the right to live and work anywhere they choose in Canada, enter and leave the country freely, and apply for a passport. This is called mobility rights. The Aboriginal people's rights protect the Aboriginal peoples from the rights guaranteed in the Charter, maintaining their own set of rights and freedoms. Canadians also have the right to use either English or French, both of which have equal status in Parliament and throughout the government. Furthermore, the variety of culture is widely respected throughout the nation, where differences between the citizens are celebrated as part of Canada's heritage and identity. Women and men in Canada are equal under law. Any kind of gender-based violence such as spousal abuse or forced marriage are severely punished. These are only some of the perks of a Canadian citizen. They are, however, expected to obey the law at all times, take responsibility to oneself and one's family by working hard and getting a job, serve on a jury when called to do so, vote in elections, help others in the community, and protect the nation's heritage and environment by avoiding waste and pollution for future generations. All these rights and responsibilities of Canadian citizens come from their history, are secured by Canadian law, and reflect their shared traditions and identity.